How's it going? My name is Evan, and this is a presentation on 3 ways on how to get paid as an affiliate marketer. And this is going to be focusing on traveling and becoming an affiliate marketer, so a digital nomad in a sense. And this is a part of a 5 video series on traveling the world and how to travel for free and even get paid to do so. And if you found any value in this video, I would absolutely love it if you hit that subscribe button, and because I'm going to be posting videos every week on this sort of stuff, on being able to travel and work exclusively in your laptop, as well as my own digital marketing videos and tutorials as well. So let's start out with the types of affiliates that you're going to end up choosing, because that's very important, because there's a lot of price discrepancies with your affiliates or what's offered, say in the front end, the middle, and the back end, if you only get, if it's a subscription service or not. So let's talk a bit about them. So first one I'm going to talk about is Amazon, which is the very popular one. A lot of people use Amazon as an affiliate, and you get somewhere between 2 and 10% for any product that you sell through Amazon. And there is some high ticket items on Amazon. I've been able to sell a Vitamix through Amazon with one of my referral links. And for anyone that's out there that knows what a Vitamix is, it's like it's a $500 plus blender. And someone used my affiliate link for it, and I think I got around like $40 or something like that, 40, $45, just with that one item. So all I had to do was just sell a few of them, and then you're up to over $100. And that's one of the downsides with Amazon, is that they pay a really low amount of commission per product. As compared to a few of the other things that I'm going to be talking about right now. And the next one is a credit card. And credit cards are great to be an affiliate for. I've been able to be affiliate with a few credit cards that I'm with American Express, and they have a great referral program for anyone that you give your personal link out to. And the commissions are pretty good for it, and it's always going to be like $100 plus any goods that you get back with that sort of affiliate, with that affiliate commission in there. So those are 3 kind of different ways on how to be an affiliate. So Amazon, which is kind of that low commission. But there's so many options out there, and there's so many ways to promote it, which I'm going to touch on in a little bit. Credit cards, which are a bit more straightforward, and you get a higher commission for that as well. And next one will be something like ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is a great type of affiliate because it's a subscription base, and you get a recurring percentage for every single month, year, or whenever the subscription renews as a part of that program. So ClickFunnels is great. I actually didn't really check my ClickFunnels account in the last month or so, and I've been able to make over $200 in affiliate commissions just with not really checking or anything, and just through having some links inside of my videos, which was really awesome. So those are the 3 types of affiliates. Different types. So Amazon, which is a very broad-based affiliate program, which is pretty simple to get a comprehension for. Credit cards, which might be a bit different and a bit trickier to get people to sign up for. And then there's ClickFunnels, which is a subscription-based landing page software with recurring affiliate commissions. And the ClickFunnels one, which is what I still use today, I'm going to put in the description and in the comment section of this video. So let's move on to reviews right now. So the second way on how to get paid as an affiliate marketer is through reviews, and a great example of that is with ODI Productions. And OD is really good with selling Amazon products. And as we can go most popular, there should be some review videos here. So how to make a WordPress website 2016. That is an affiliate one. That's an affiliate link that's going to be in there. Web hosting right here as well. Top 3 best studio microphones under $100. Wow, Odie. And all of these are affiliate links. So buy on Amazon. So just with review videos, that's a really good way on how to make money with a affiliate with affiliate offers as well. So just get a high quality review video of either a new, I would recommend a new product or something that's up and coming, and just make a video reviewing it, or you can put it in a blog post as well. Of you just reviewing whatever product and then giving your recommendation for it. That's the gist of affiliate marketing. So we touched on the first portion, which was just getting the right affiliate offers. So don't try to do too many affiliate things, or else you're just going to get stuck. You're going to get lost. You should only focus on a few different ones at the start. And then here is a good idea to get some reviews done for any affiliate links or any affiliate offers that you're giving out. And then this one is with one of my mentors, Iman Gadji. And this is for ClickFunnels. And what he does here, he does instead of doing like a review based video, he doesn't do a review of ClickFunnels. What he does is he does this thing called value stacking. So he has this nice little landing page for anyone that clicks on his ClickFunnels affiliate link, and they come here. This is where they come out, and then he just gives them. So he just sells it quite a bit in this video, so that people kind of understand what ClickFunnels is, and so that they're more likely to click on this get 14 days free, and then plus 891 bonuses. So this is the offer that Iman has out there, which is a bit different than a review. So you're not creating an offer to get someone to purchase an affiliate link. So Eman's trying to get them to get the affiliate link, but he has three bonuses. First one is a 6 figures in 6 months mini course worth $500. Second one is a bonus for a mastermind meetup event sales page that earned him over $10,000. Not sure why that's $200 value if you made over 10,000 Iman, but whatever. Bonus number 3, a copy of this exact personal brand / affiliate website. So a copy of this funnel as well. And this is his call to action is to email info@imangadji.com. So he was using a value stack, which is I don't know if it was actually made by him, but it was talked a lot about by Russell Brunson. So value stacking, where you just you offer a whole bunch of stuff on top of your initial offer. So his initial offer is ClickFunnels, but then he's giving so much more. So $891 in bonuses on top of that ClickFunnels subscription. So instead of someone just signing up through ClickFunnels, not getting just under $1,000 of bonuses, you sign up through Iman's link, then you get those bonuses, which is whatever these three on the bottom of the screen right here are. So those are the 3 ways on how to get paid as an affiliate marketer. First one was the type of affiliate, which is very important to choose out. The second one is with review videos on YouTube. And the third one is just offer stacking and value stacking. So giving so much out in order to get a sale with your affiliate link. So you're just offering way more than your competition, or what they can get, what they can get at like the regular home price, but with no additional help or anything like that. So I hope that you found that this video was extremely helpful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button, post notifications, do whatever you want, or comment on what your favorite part of this video was, and what you want to see upcoming on this channel too. So once again, my name is Evan, and I bid you a great day.